POV in TikTok, a creative way to tell stories.
Welcome to this deep dive into point of view, POV, TikTok videos. POV videos are a unique and immersive storytelling medium that has gained tremendous popularity on platforms like TikTok. They offer the audience a first-person perspective, allowing them to experience the narrative as if they were a character in the story. Let's explore how these videos are made and the purpose they serve.
What is POV in TikTok videos?
Point of view, POV, is a style of TikTok video that uses the first-person perspective. These videos are designed in such a way that the viewers feel as though they are part of the story. It's like playing a character in a movie, but instead, you are watching a short clip.
How are POV TikTok videos created?
Creating a POV TikTok video requires creativity and strategic planning. The creator typically acts as if they are interacting directly with the viewer. This is accomplished by looking straight into the camera, responding to imagined dialogue, and carefully considering camera angles and movements to maintain the illusion of a first-person perspective. Special effects, transitions, sounds, and props can also be used to enhance the experience. For instance, if a TikToker were creating a POV, "You're at a concert with me" video, they might use concert-like sound effects, mimic the actions they do at a concert, and perhaps use props such as glow sticks or concert tickets.
What is the purpose of POV videos?
POV videos serve several purposes. Firstly, they allow creators to tell immersive stories in a unique and engaging way. The viewer feels like an active participant, not just an observer, which leads to a more memorable and impactful experience. Secondly, POV videos can be a way for creators to express their creativity. The genre provides an array of opportunities to experiment with storytelling, acting, and cinematography techniques. Finally, from an audience engagement perspective, POV videos can boost user interaction. Since viewers feel more involved in the story, they may be more likely to engage with the video by liking, commenting, or sharing. POV videos on TikTok offer a unique and immersive way to tell stories, allowing viewers to step into the shoes of a character and experience the narrative firsthand. Whether you're a creator looking to stretch your creative muscles, or a viewer in search of engaging and interactive content, the world of POV videos has plenty to offer. Now that you understand what POV TikTok videos are and their purpose, why not try creating your own or diving into this exciting genre as a viewer? Enjoy the POV TikTok journey.